Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the HXBER 2-channel power amplifier, a professional digital power amplifier designed to be both powerful and incredibly portable. Right off the bat, you notice its form factor. It's remarkably thin and lightweight, measuring just 48 centimeters wide, 16.8 centimeters deep, and a mere 4.5 centimeters tall, weighing in at only 2.4 kilograms. This makes it super easy to transport and integrate into various setups, whether it's a tight rack space or a mobile DJ rig. Despite its slim profile, this amplifier packs a serious punch. It's equipped with a cutting-edge power control system that provides ample power to drive speakers effectively, featuring dynamic energy recovery for efficiency. It's built for professional use, promising powerful and distortion-free sound thanks to advanced technology and constant power control. The unit is designed to perform reliably in diverse environments, from KTV rooms and home theaters to conference projects, bars, and full-blown stage performances. One of the standout features is its focus on purified sound quality. The amplifier incorporates a 3-stage purification design specifically engineered to eliminate common audio nuisances. This includes tackling AC 220V power fluctuations, reducing dual-directional grounding noise, and cleaning up secondary noise that can originate from the signal source. The result is a much cleaner, more immersive listening experience. The technical specifications back this up, boasting a distortion rate of less than 0.005%, a high signal-to-noise ratio of 112 dB, a damping coefficient greater than 1000, and a conversion rate of 50 V per microsecond, all contributing to pristine audio reproduction. The high-fidelity circuit design utilizes premium electronic components to optimize sound performance. Keeping things cool and protected is also a priority. The amplifier features a smart cooling system with multiple perforations on its exterior, working in conjunction with a cooling fan to ensure optimal heat dissipation and maintain stable chip temperatures. This intelligent conservation mechanism guards against overheating, protecting the amplifier's longevity and ensuring consistent, superior sound quality even under demanding conditions. It also includes 4 major protections: over-voltage, under-voltage conservation, overheating conservation, power control, and current conservation, adding layers of reliability. Versatility is key with this unit. It offers flexible switching options, allowing you to use it as either a single channel or a stereo amplifier, depending on your specific needs and setup preferences. It accepts analog input signals and operates on a wide working voltage range from 90 V to 264 V. With a maximum output capability of 100 V peak and 58 peak, and a power factor greater than 0.95 at over 500 watts, it's clear this amplifier is built for serious audio applications. Overall, the HXBER 2-channel power amplifier presents itself as a compelling option for anyone needing professional-grade power in a highly portable and reliable package. Its focus on clean power delivery, purified sound, robust protection, and versatile usage makes it suitable for a wide array of audio tasks, promising an unparalleled listening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.